To get started, we need a dough. Combine flour, sugar, salt, water, yeast, and olive oil in a bowl. We're going to go ahead and knead that for about 10 minutes until it forms a nice smooth ball. If you find the dough is starting to tear or just generally not come together, let it rest for a few minutes and then come back to it. Okay, once we're done kneading, we're going to let the dough rest a few minutes and then we're going to divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now we're going to let the dough rise until it doubles in size. For this pizza, I just want a really simple tomato sauce. It's going to be uncooked San Marzano tomatoes. We're going to mash them up with a fork. We're going to find the fork doesn't really work so well. We're going to go in with our hands. Okay, for cheese, I have a full-fat, low-moisture mozzarella. For pizza number 1, we're going to cube the mozzarella. And for the second one, we're going to shred it. Okay, so for the first pizza, I'm just going to place the cubed mozzarella on top. We're going to bake that in an oven at 520 degrees Fahrenheit. That baking steel in there has been preheating for about 45 minutes. Okay, while that one's cooking, we're going to prep the next one. We're baking this one also at 520 degrees Fahrenheit. Both baked for about 10 minutes with 1 minute broil at the end. Okay, so here we have it. We've got 2 somewhat identical pizzas. Crust looks brown on both. You can see the shredded cheese got a little bit more color in the oven. So I think if you're having issues with browning your crust, if your cheese is burning or melting too fast, I would give cubed a shot. Okay, there you have it. Until next time, see you later.